Okay, so we're on the 91 YJ. This is actually Andreas's Jeep here, and we're trying to get it ready for a wintertime trip. So the mission for today is we're going to break all the back suspension components apart, grease them, replace whatever needs to be replaced, basically get everything anti-seize, so if we had to make any field repairs we can do that. We're going to drop the oil in the rear differential, and then we're going to attach the gas tank and see if we've got fuel pressure. We may even try to turn it over. But these bolts are severely rusted on. This has taken us for a while, so we'll just see how far we can get with it. Alright, so it's 105 degrees out here, but we got it done. So we got this whole rear axle completely disassembled, just the suspension parts, not the internal parts. We've repaired all the damaged threads. We greased everything that needs to be greased. We got it all put back together. We've painted the frame, we've painted the rear axle. It looks brand new. And then we changed out the diff fluid in it and so forth. We didn't get the gas tank mounted back up today because these bolts were kicking Andreas's butt, and it took way longer than we intended to get all those bolts loose. But hey, now if we have a trail repair that we need to do, we can get them off. Everything's torqued to specs, back put on with anti-seize, and it looks great.